Are you tired of spending a fortune on fancy gardening supplies that promise big results but drain your wallet? What if I told you that almost everything you need for a thriving, beautiful garden can be found at Dollar Tree? And it actually works. Today we're diving into 10 genius Dollar Tree garden hacks that every gardener should know, and I promise you're going to love how easy and affordable these are. These are clever, practical, and perfect for anyone who wants to grow more and spend less. Welcome back to Greenhaven Homes, your favorite spot for budget-friendly home and garden inspiration. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a video that helps you save money while making your home and garden a peaceful retreat. Now grab your gardening gloves, because we're jumping straight into hack number 1. Hack number 1. DIY drip irrigation with Dollar Tree supplies. One of the biggest challenges for any gardener is keeping plants evenly watered without wasting time or drowning them in too much water. With just a few items from Dollar Tree, you can make a simple drip irrigation system that works as well as the expensive ones from garden stores. Grab a couple of plastic spray bottles, some flexible tubing from the cleaning aisle, and a few plant stakes or skewers. Fill the spray bottle with water, poke a small hole in the lid to insert the tubing, and run the tubing to your plants, securing it with the stakes, so the water drips right at the base of each plant. This creates a slow, steady water supply that keeps soil perfectly moist. This hack is a total game changer for container gardens, raised beds, and even hanging baskets because it eliminates the guesswork of when and how much to water. Not only will it save you hours of standing with a watering can, but it also uses less water overall, which is great for conserving resources and keeping your water bill low. Even better, this method reduces the risk of fungal diseases, because you're watering the soil directly instead of splashing water on the leaves. Set it up once, and you can go about your day knowing your plants are being cared for on autopilot. That's the kind of simple gardening solution we all love. Hack number 2. Dollar Tree mini greenhouse domes. If you've ever started seeds outdoors, you know the struggle of protecting those tiny sprouts from pests, cold nights, and even heavy rain. With Dollar Tree's clear plastic bowls, cake covers, or salad containers, you can create your very own mini greenhouses for just a few dollars. Simply flip the clear container upside down and place it over your seedling or small plant, pressing the edges lightly into the soil to keep it secure. If you want a little airflow, poke a couple of tiny holes in the top so moisture doesn't build up too much inside. This creates the perfect warm, humid environment for young plants to grow stronger and faster. This hack is especially helpful during the early spring or late fall when nighttime temperatures can still dip low and threaten to stunt or kill your plants. The clear covers trap warmth during the day, giving your seedlings a head start and extending your growing season by several weeks. Plus, they act as a barrier against slugs, snails, and curious animals that might otherwise munch on your tender greens. It's a simple, affordable solution that transforms cheap plastic into a powerful plant protector, and you can reuse them year after year. Hack number 3. Epsom salt fertilizer boost healthy. Vibrant plants start with strong roots and balanced nutrition, but store-bought plant food can get expensive fast. The good news is Dollar Tree sells Epsom salt, and this little $1 bag is like gold for your garden. Epsom salt is rich in magnesium and sulfur, two essential nutrients plants need for strong root development, lush green leaves, and more abundant blooms. All you need to do is mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt into a gallon of water and use it as a foliar spray or a soil drench once a month. It works wonders on tomatoes, peppers, roses, and even houseplants that have yellowing leaves from magnesium deficiency. What makes this hack so powerful is how quickly you'll see results. Your plants will perk up, the leaves will turn a deeper green, and fruiting plants like tomatoes and peppers will produce more flowers, which means more harvest for you. And because it's so inexpensive, you can keep your entire garden fed for pennies compared to pricey fertilizers. This is a gardener's secret weapon that has been used for generations, and now you can do it for almost no cost, thanks to Dollar Tree. Hack number 4. Plastic tablecloth as a weed barrier. Weeds can take over a garden faster than you can pull them, and commercial weed barriers or landscape fabric can get pricey, especially if you have a large area to cover. Dollar Tree plastic tablecloths are a clever budget-friendly solution to block weeds and save you hours of back-breaking work. Simply lay the tablecloth flat over your garden bed, cut small X-shaped holes where you want to place your plants, and cover the whole thing with mulch or gravel. The plastic blocks sunlight, which stops weeds from sprouting, while still allowing water to seep through the slits you cut for your plants. This hack works perfectly for vegetable gardens, flower beds, or even under pathways where you want to keep weeds from coming back year after year. It's a great way to recycle and reuse, since the tablecloths can last a whole season if properly secured. Plus, they're available in multiple colors, so you can even match them to your garden aesthetic before covering them with mulch. It's one of the simplest ways to create a professional, tidy look in your garden, while saving a lot of time and money. Hack number 5. Seed starting in Dollar Tree muffin. Tin starting seeds at home is one of the most cost-effective ways to grow a garden. But buying fancy seed starting trays can be surprisingly expensive. Dollar Tree muffin tins are the perfect solution for an organized reusable seed starting system. Simply drill or poke a small drainage hole in the bottom of each cup. Fill them with seed starting mix, and plant your seeds according to the packet directions. The muffin tin keeps everything neat and uniform, which makes watering easier and ensures your seedlings grow at the same rate. This hack is especially great because the rigid metal or silicone trays are sturdy and easy to move around, even when filled with soil. When it's time to transplant, you can gently pop the seedlings out one at a time, without disturbing the roots too much. Plus, muffin tins are easy to wash and reuse season after season, making this a long-term money saver. For just $1 or $2, you can start dozens of plants indoors and give your garden a strong, healthy start, without spending extra on specialized supplies. Hack number 6. Solar light plant markers. Keeping track of what you've planted can be tricky, especially when everything is just sprouting and looks the same. Dollar Tree solar lights are the perfect way to solve this problem, while adding a touch of magic to your garden. All you need to do is take a few inexpensive solar stake lights, write your plant names on waterproof labels or small plastic tags, and attach them to the light stakes. Place them next to your plants, and when the sun goes down, your garden lights up with glowing plant markers that are both practical and beautiful. This hack is not just about looks, it's incredibly functional too. You'll never have to wonder which row is lettuce and which one is spinach when you go out to harvest at dusk. The soft glow makes nighttime watering or evening garden strolls easier and more enjoyable. Plus, solar lights charge during the day, so they require no extra electricity, making this an energy-efficient and eco-friendly option. It's an easy way to transform a practical task into something that adds charm and atmosphere to your outdoor space. Hack number 7. Dollar Tree dish rack vertical garden. If you're short on space but still want to grow a variety of plants, Dollar Tree dish racks can help you create a vertical garden that's as stylish as it is functional. All you need is a wire dish rack, a few small pots or containers that fit inside, and some zip ties. Secure the dish rack to a fence, balcony railing, or wall, then slip your pots into place. You instantly have a vertical garden, where you can grow herbs, small flowers, or even strawberries. This is an ideal solution for apartment dwellers, renters, or anyone who wants to make use of vertical space. Not only does this hack save room, but it also turns an unused wall or railing into a lush, living feature that elevates the look of your space. Vertical gardens can even improve air circulation around your plants and make watering easier because everything is in one tidy row. Plus, you can move or rearrange the pots as needed, making it easy to swap out seasonal plants or adjust their position for sunlight. It's an affordable and creative way to grow more in less space, and it looks amazing. Hack number 8. DIY pest traps. With Dollar Tree bowls, garden pests can be relentless, and chemical pesticides aren't always the best choice if you want a safe organic growing space. With a few shallow bowls from Dollar Tree, you can make your own natural pest traps that work surprisingly well. Fill the bowls with a mixture of sugar water and a few drops of dish soap, then place them near plants where gnats, fruit flies, or wasps are a problem. The sweet scent attracts the pests, and the soap breaks the surface tension, so they get trapped in the water. This simple solution helps keep populations under control without harming beneficial insects, like bees or butterflies. This hack is fantastic for anyone who wants to avoid spraying chemicals near food crops or flowers. It's safe, affordable, and easy to set up anywhere in the garden. You can even bury the bowls slightly, so they sit level with the soil for a more discreet look. Check them every couple of days, empty and refill as needed, and enjoy a noticeable drop in annoying pests. It's one of those small but mighty hacks that make your gardening life so much easier and more enjoyable. Hack number 9. Dollar Tree Pool Noodles. As plant protectors, young plants, tree trunks, and even tall vegetable stalks can easily get damaged by wind, garden tools, or lawn equipment. Pool noodles from Dollar Tree are a cheap and clever way to protect them. Simply cut the noodle lengthwise and slip it around the base of your plant or tree trunk. You can also cut smaller sections and use them as bumpers around tomato cages, trellises, or garden stakes to prevent sharp edges from cutting into stems. It's a quick, no-fuss solution that gives your plants a cushion of protection. This hack works especially well for newly planted trees and delicate seedlings that need extra care during their first growing season. It also helps prevent sun scald on young trunks by blocking harsh sunlight during the hottest part of the day. Pool noodles are lightweight, weather-resistant, and easy to cut to any size, so you can customize them for all kinds of uses in your garden. For just $1 or $2, you can save yourself the heartbreak of losing plants to damage, and reuse the same protectors year after year. Hack number 10. Shower Caddy Hanging Garden Organizer. Gardening tools can easily get scattered, lost, or left outside to rust. But Dollar Tree shower caddies make the perfect hanging organizer to keep everything neat and within reach. Simply hang the caddy on a fence post, shed wall, or even the side of your raised bed. Fill it with gloves, seed packets, hand trowels, plant ties, and anything else you use regularly. Because it's metal or plastic, it's weather resistant and easy to clean if it gets muddy. You can even use multiple caddies to separate tools by category. One for seeds, one for small tools, and one for fertilizers or sprays. This hack is a game changer for staying organized and saving time while working in the garden. No more running back and forth looking for misplaced scissors or gloves. Everything is right where you need it. It's also a great way to keep dangerous tools or chemicals out of reach of pets and kids by hanging the caddy higher up. This simple setup transforms your garden space into a tidy, efficient workstation without spending a fortune on expensive organizers. And there you have it, 10 Dollar Tree garden hacks that every gardener should know. These ideas prove you don't have to spend a lot of money to have a productive, beautiful garden. Try one or two of these hacks this week and see how much easier and more enjoyable your gardening routine becomes. I'd love to hear which one was your favorite, so leave a comment below and share your own Dollar Tree hacks with the Green Haven Homes community. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves gardening, and subscribe to the channel for more budget-friendly ideas every single week. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening and happy saving.